In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar using templates in Asana. This is an incredibly useful tool for organizing your marketing efforts and ensuring that your content gets out on time. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard interface. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Next, look up to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Create. Go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear before you, offering you various options. You want to select the Project option to begin your new initiative. Once you click that, you'll be presented with more choices. This time, look out for the Use Template option. Clicking this will give you access to Asana's gallery of pre-made project structures, and trust me, these templates will save you a lot of time. Now, from the gallery, navigate to the Marketing category. This is where you'll find templates specifically designed for marketing projects, including our focus today, the Content Calendar. Feel free to scroll through the available templates until you find the one that says Content Calendar. This is specifically designed to help you plan and manage your content seamlessly. Once you locate it, click on that Content Calendar template. A new option will pop up prompting you to select the Use Template button. Go ahead and click that, and we can move to the next step. At this point, you'll want to enter a meaningful name for your project. This helps both you and your team identify it easily later on. Think of a name that clearly represents the scope of your calendar. Something like Q1 Marketing Content Plan could work well, for instance. Now let's keep everything organized by setting project start and due dates. This is crucial to keeping your scheduling on track and ensuring your team is aligned on timelines. Go ahead and input those dates. It's always best to plan ahead so everyone knows what to expect as you move forward. Finally, we're almost there. Once you've crafted your project name and set the dates, you'll see a button that says Create Project. Click that, and voila! You've just generated your new automated content calendar. Now, it's a good idea to take a moment to check your results. Navigate back to your main dashboard or locate the project in your projects list. Here, you should see your newly created content calendar, complete with the structure and timelines you just set up. And that's it. You've successfully created a content calendar using templates in Asana. You can now start filling it in with your planned content, deadlines, and any other notes your team might need. Remember, a well-organized calendar can be a game changer for ensuring your content strategy is executed smoothly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with your friends or colleagues who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck.